In this video, we are going to learn how you can use AI in WordPress to generate content with Jetpack. So let's get started. As you can see, we have a WordPress website over here, and let's take a look at our website. As you can see, we have a news blog website. And if you're wondering which theme we're using Blocksy. And this is a starter site called Blocksy News. Now for this video, we are going to use the Jetpack AI, which is a very powerful AI for WordPress. So we're going to get back to our dashboard, and then we will hover a mouse over plugins and click on Add Plugin. From here, you can see Jetpack usually remains always in the top. But if you still cannot find it, you can search for Jetpack on this search bar. Now Jetpack has over 4 million active installations and is compatible with our current version of WordPress. So what we are going to do is click on Install Now and wait for the plugin to install. The plugin has been installed. Now we're going to click on the Activate button to activate the plugin. Now as soon as you activate Jetpack, you're going to see this screen. Start with Jetpack for free. We're going to click on Supercharge My Site because that's the only thing we can do right now. So we're going to click on this button. Now Jetpack offers many features. It provides you powerful security, speed, and growth tools. But in this video, we are only going to use the AI. Now in this screen, you will have to connect your WordPress.com account to Jetpack. Now we are already signed into our WordPress.com account. That's why we are seeing this screen. But what will happen if we are actually signed out of our WordPress.com account? Now, in case you are not signed in to your WordPress.com account, this is the page that you are going to see. Now, we're using a different website in order to show you this screen. It will tell you to create an account to set up Jetpack. So now if you don't have a WordPress.com account, you have to create one. Now this is another screen where you can add your email address and then click on continue with this email address to connect your WordPress.com account with Jetpack. You can also continue with Google, Apple, GitHub, or a login code through your email, or you can log in using the Jetpack app. Also, if you don't have an account, you can simply click over here to create an account. You can find the link to the WordPress.com login page in the video description. After you connect your website with Jetpack, it will process detailed visitor stats in the cloud so your site stays fast. It improves your site's performance and SEO automatically, and you can automatically share your site's posts on social media. So we're going to click on Connect Account. Great, our WordPress.com account is connected with our WordPress site. Now we're going to click on Next, Next, and done. All right, so our site is connected. Now we are free to use the AI to generate content. So first we are going to go to Posts and click on Add Post. Now we're going to close this notification, and then we are going to add a title to our post. Let's say we are creating a post on how to boost productivity as a remote worker. And now we need the help of AI to generate the content for us. So what we are going to do is when we come over here, you can see the Jetpack icon over here. So if we click on it, you can see there's the Jetpack, writing assistance, SEO, share this post, likes, and share. So we need the writing assistance. So we're going to expand this bar. And here you can see there are so many options. Also notice that we have some points over here. So available requests, 20. With the free version of Jetpack, that's all we get. Now, if we upgrade to a paid plan, we will get more points. Now, as you can see, we have the option to generate title options, generate image, and feedbacks. But we cannot select these two. In order for these to become functional, we have to write something over here. Now you can see we can generate title options, and we can also generate feedback. Also, you can see there's an option over here that says AI Assistant. So if we click on it, we can ask our AI assistant, we can correct spelling and grammar, simplify, summarize, expand, make shorter, change tone, or even translate. So we're going to simply choose Ask AI Assistant. And here we are going to write our prompt. As you can see, we already have used a prompt, and now we have 19 requests remaining. So let's write our prompt. So this is my prompt, and now I'm going to click on Generate. And as you can see, it generated the content. We can also click over here and change the tone to formal, informal, optimistic, humorous, serious, skeptical. We have all these options. So let's go ahead and change it to optimistic. As you can see, it changed. Now we can also generate an image. So if we click over here we can describe our image and it will be generated for us. We can also select how we want it to be. We can select auto, enhanced, anime, photographic, digital art, and so many more styles. So we're going to click on generate and it's going to create the image for us. And now we can use this image as our featured image. Great. So that is how you can use AI to generate content for you. You can also use this AI to change the tone of your writing. You can also use this AI to generate images for you, as you have seen. So after that, we can simply click on this publish button. And now let's take a look at this post. So that is how our post looks like. So in this way, you can create the Jetpack AI to generate content for your WordPress website. Now, if we click on upgrade, it's going to bring us to the checkout page. Now you can choose a 1 month, 1 year, or 2 year plans. The 1 month plan costs $14.95. The 1 year plan costs $59.40, and the 2 year plan costs $143.04. And this is probably the best as it allows you to save over $95. Now with the paid version of Jetpack, you get more requests. You will be able to generate content, table and forms, generate images for your posts and site. The AI will visualize the issues and make your content clearer, and you will have better reading score and SEO score. You will be able to improve your titles and featured image with just one click. You can fine-tune your content from the toolbar and so many more features. So this gives you high request capacity, priority support, and all the features that you get in the free version. So in case you want the full power of Jetpack AI Assistants, you can switch to a paid plan. If you want to upgrade your Jetpack AI Assistant or want to get the paid version of Jetpack, you can check our video description for links. So that brings us to the end of today's video. We hope that it was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos such as this one. So thank you for watching. See you next time.